Sobra.
Ew, that's so disgusting.
Yan, dali ka na magputol itong gamron.
Dali. Ano yung ginaubra? Hambal.
We're making organic. So that
So disgusting.
disgusting bilang ay organic yan. And then I cover it so that will be have a gold.
Where's the baduding? He's running away from you. Right, Annabelle?
Wa pagal na ako mabok sir iwa ro tubig tos dagom.
I can fix me, Anna. Kapaya.
Oo, wa pa ay wa man yan babakal ka ray sarado ka ra mga.
Tag,
Oh.
tag ano? Tag alarm?
Ah, oo, fix na na.
Pero tag faucet o what pa?
Hara man sa gulay ko tahingan ra ho.
Show it. Where? Siin.
Harang manintok nga ro. Hara pa ho. Wa ka man yan tanom dapat nagbaka ka kamatis gali kain na.
Nay, you have to explain your flower.
Oh, this is my
Apple.
apple tree. I don't what kinds of apple because there's a lot of apple variety here in anywhere all over the world. So I think more than 100 or 200 variety of apple. So I don't know what kinds of apple, but I saw in the picture the sample of this apple is a green color, but I'm not sure. So,
Why you're not sure?
because I didn't see the when I brought this tree it's just small and then
Why
now,
did you not see it?
3 years ago I'm so happy because there's a lot of flowers now.
Yeah,
Oh.
first year.
I hope this summer I can
Bring home the
no I can picking apple in my the only tree
You
in
don't
my
even eat
backyard.
apple.
Yeah.
Oh, yun mo.
Thank you.
Tanong ko anuhan doon ha. No.
Tay,
Makan sa tomatis.
why you say?
Kamatis kuno.
Nay,
Hmm.
hello.
Hello guys. I'm getting some.
Hey, you study. You study.
I don't want to study, so that's why I'm going
We
out.
have to do your exam.
It's better to getting hilamon in my garden than to study.
Oh, there's a bagyo.
You see?
This is Mang Kanoy. He has an isda. That was our project last year.
But until now, still that. Oh my God, a year.
Wait, I'll show. What the heck?
No time for that.
No use, you just sleep, ah.
I always sleep, so that's why I have a diabetic now. So I need to exercise my body.
Oh, next time, Nay, for the vlog, you have to show how you exercise. Okay?
Okay. Now I have a seed there.
Oops.
Last year I planted the sunflower in this area,
But where is it now?
and I don't know what size. I cannot find my seedling.
Okay. Baduding. Nay. Hey, you show. Hey. Baka man tatay gahambag.
Hello. Yung sa ating plant.
Natalong.
Kamatis.
What are you doing? You hampas lupa. You go home.
Kapo alaw gandara.
Hindi kailangan with plastic.
Hagab mo lang. Okay na.
Ano ka madya? Tanom dapat may tanom ka para.
Kamatis ang kami. Hindi mo siya. Kagong.
Ang bukon nag-advise sa tanom. Ay, agnang may pangani ro. Ano ho, strawberry. Dahil pa rin niya strawberry katubo.
Nani.
Lalo hindi dapat i-harvest sa strawberry dahil kanon liit. Ano?
Bunny. Oh my god. The mud.
Bunny will eat you.
But tayong igot, nakita hingin sa camera, hindi ko ikat. Halar vlog nga, hindi ko ikat-kat.
Wow.
Because I'm tamad. Mm-hmm.
Kamatis.
What are you doing? Hanggang sinag tayo.
Hanggang sa dulo walang hanggan. Tapos tanong balangar day yung bilog.
No, dapat mabakal kita. Anong para nami?
Kamatis na.
Makamatis na itong kanon. Ano para nami? Karon na eh. Ano para gidatanom? Iyahay. Oh my gosh, this video is so long. Should I cut it na? Okay, yun.
Okay na.
Goodbye.
Bye.